What's up, everyone? Today, we're going to be opening up a baseball pack. Now, I know nothing about baseball, so I don't know. I'm just going to see what it is. Maybe I'll put the prices, the most valuable card that I pulled, in the comments. But I have no idea if there's a pack trick or anything. No clue. This was $7 though. Okay. This face. Oh, there's two. Okay. Don Mattingly. I have some of these that are like purple borders. I had like 300 of them because I got them for free. I do not need more Don Mattingly. What's this? See, this looks special, but I don't know anything about it. Let's see, Yogi Berra, 2. 3 pink cards. Look for 3 exclusive pink foil parallels. Don't know what that is. And then Coney Seager. Is that the guy on here? Yeah, it is. Corey Seager. Well, this looks like the rare. No idea what these are worth, but I'll put them in the comments. Alright, like and subscribe. Bye.